I'm just going to show you what I use to sanitize with, and this is the Dawn Ultra antibacterial hand soap. But you can use it for washing dishes as well, because it also says dishwashing liquid on the bottom, and it is antibacterial, and it'll kill up to like 99% or whatever of germs. So this is what I use. It's better than putting in Clorox or something like that could take the color out of your bricks. Just put just a couple little drips of the Dawn in your water and swish it all around, and we got the salad spinner that we have it all in, that we're going to do it in, and that's all you really got to do, and then rinse them off. It's not like they're totally dirty or anything, it's just that we want to sanitize them. That's it. So after we sanitized them, we just put them out on a towel here after we put them through the spin cycle in the salad spinner. That thing is remarkable. It pretty much takes like 97% of the water off of them, and just leaves them pretty much dry, but there's always going to be a few drips and drabs, as you can see, on some of the parts and some of the smaller parts, and it can lodge in between here too as well. But I mean, as you can tell here, that's pretty, there's no really wet shiny parts on it. It's pretty much dry. So salad spinner, you win out once again, and makes life really easy for cleaning and washing and disinfecting your Lego parts. Anyway, that's mail time for today. I'll talk to you guys. Hopefully tomorrow, part 3 will be in. If not, we'll just have to wait till Monday, I guess, or the next day when the post arrives. And we'll talk to everyone again very soon. Peace.